It's gonna be a lot of food.
Reglamentos de seguridad prohíben dejar vehículos desatendidos en cualquier área.
Wait, I gotta. Alright, finally got my rental car. It's pretty nice. Let me show you guys. A Nissan Roku. First time driving it. It's the start button right. Awesome. I've been traveling all day and pretty hungry right now. Probably gonna try to see if I can find something to eat first. Yeah, so follow along. Oh, nice. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be a lot of food. Beef stew, stomach, I think. Kind of interesting. Yummy. Okay. Here we are. Hotel. Ooh, what a day. Just made it to the hotel. It's like really, really nice. Just gonna relax right now. Already about 7 o'clock. Didn't really sleep that well because I don't know if you guys could hear it, but the AC was like really, really loud last night. So I only got about 4 hours to 5 hours of sleep. But yeah, I still feel really energized because today gonna be a really, really exciting day because I was invited to a private NBA basketball game. First time ever. So, but now I gotta get ready, go to the office for like 8 hours, and then the basketball game will start at around 7 o'clock at night. So, really excited, yeah.
Oh, it's because that's Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth mouse.
Let me get a keyboard. How do I get it? Hold the card.
I think you just use your card up there. So yeah, do that,
And then,
and then do.
cause,
Okay.
yeah, 45. Oh, nice. Yeah. I just gonna grab the mouse. And look at that. Dang. Ooh. Had a really good day at work. We're gonna go grab like some boba tea first. Yeah, my manager, he loves boba tea just like me, so grabbing some boba tea and then gonna head to the Charlotte versus Indiana Pacers game. Oh, a little cold here.
What'd you get?
The Hong Kong milk tea with boba. Hong Kong.
Which one's that?
It's like the fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, Hong Kong. Yeah.
I know.
Architecture is really nice here. A lot of different buildings.
Almost like
The
New York.
King's Kitchen. Yeah, it feels like
Just almost.
New York,
Buildings aren't as
honestly.
tall, but-
Yeah. The street is clean. Like there's no homeless
Yeah.
people here.
I feel like Chicago. This is like when we went in Chicago, it was really clean too.
Had a really good day, really busy day today at work. So just got off around like 9 o'clock. Yeah, finally done the day around 9. So yay! My manager was a little bit busy, so it was just me eating at a Japanese restaurant, ramen place. Really excited, but feel a little bit awkward at the same time because I never really eat by myself. I always have someone like friends and stuff. But yeah. Octopus. Good. Ramen. No joke, I definitely order way too much food. There's the chicken cutlet, pork cutlet right here, and then eggs. This bowl right here, $30 because I ordered the extra cutlet. This right here, $10, so it's like $40. My goodness, I'm just gonna enjoy it. Yep, can't finish that. Gonna go box. Just got home from the ramen place. It's currently around like 10:30, and I still got like couple more stuff I need to work on. So just gonna spend some more time working on some projects. Probably going to sleep around like 12 or 1 o'clock. Yeah. For the past 2 days, I've been going to sleep at 2 o'clock because I couldn't fall asleep. The AC was like really loud here, but that's okay. So right now it's about 11 o'clock, and it's my last night here in this really fancy hotel, and I'm heading home back to Arkansas. So tomorrow I got an early flight going back. I will see you guys later. Large coffee. It costs around $15.50. Pretty expensive, but it's gonna be good.